Boom, we're back again with them late night review. Yeah, you see me. I said people because it's been far from me and incredible. You see it. Bless upon yourself, but you know my style. One bag of one and a one. I mean, not lie to you people. Jada Kingdom life might be in trouble, you know. Her life might be in danger. I mean, you see me. I said Asian dollar, Asian brat, sister responds to Jada Kingdom. Oh boy, people, the Yankee them is coming for Jada Kingdom just like all them are come for Shenseea. Megan the Stallion fan base them at this up Shenseea wickedly a minute here. Megan the Stallion say, yo, leave that alone, you know. But talking about leave that alone, people, Spice confirms split with Rasta man. Oh, we can't make these things up. If you have been following me the past couple of days, you know what I go on for what that I go on. You see me, I say, oh, but before we get into anything, I forget Jada Kingdom, big up Popcorn too for warning her about Asian doll, but people just hit the like button and share from now. We're trying to reach a broader audience. I may need your help in doing so. You see me, I say, and it shows your appreciation. So let's just get into it.
But you have to know, you got to know what you want in a man. What turns you on? What are you looking for? I'm good with. I like personality. I like honesty. I want somebody that I can trust. I want somebody that's loyal, someone that's real and genuine. And when I say real and genuine, I want them to be the same person in front of my face that they are behind my back. Loyalty goes a far way for me.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
what else
time.
are you looking
big
for?
Big time for you.
You know?
That's a big time for you.
For me, I realized that I have to have somebody that has more than me, so they don't become egotistical.
This is my son, guys. My son on the phone.
She has only one child.
Yes, son.
She have.
Okay, the besties is finally hearing what I'm saying when I've been saying Spice cancel the wedding because the Rasta wedding counselor is killing them things that she not like. You feel what I'm saying? And she's been dropping hints, but yeah, as you know, we just did a review yesterday. She said, if it broke, nobody fix it. You know what I mean? And now you just heard what she said in the beginning. They're saying that she's basically confirming the split, saying that she's looking for a new man and all of this stuff. You know what I mean? Why, people, I really don't know what's going on, you know, but I just going along with the narrative. You see me? I say, I don't know if Love and Hip Hop is still filming, so maybe we'll see this and the season finale. But like I said, she's been dropping hints from Madeya not acting herself, going live and getting drunk and all of these things. You see me? I say, and you know, she was at Young MA or whatever, Young Miami show with City Girls the other day, and she had the F Love and Get Money. And things, you know, why people putting out the comment section where you really think what go on from what to go on. But like I said, if you've been keeping up to date with me, I've been saying that there's been trouble in the camp. No. Anyway, let's proceed. Now, people, I don't want to say that I'm a goat or I am the goat because I have goat mode. We just did a review earlier with Asian doll and Jada Kingdom getting into some squab. You see me, I say, and I mentioned, I hope Shenseea and Jada Kingdom, Megan the Stallion, not getting on the problems. Boy, people, talking about snakes, you feel what I'm saying? Right now, Megan the Stallion, them hotties, as she calls her fan base, because you know them is a hot girls, is dragging Shenseea all over Twitter. Yes, people. I'm not even bullshitting you. You know what I mean? They're dragging the ish out of Shenseea all over Twitter because of Tory. Yes, Tory Lanez, because you know this shooting in the leg business, whether him do it or not, is still an issue. Cause you know Megan the Stallion attack and she made attack on, you know, Gail's show. You feel what I'm saying? But this is the tweet that made everything go viral. It's a tweet that she deleted, but you know how the things say with social media, people screenshot, you know, because people is like, why just keep on talking about this. So she said, I saw a man can shoot me, chop up horse legs in music videos to taunt me, pay blogs to spread false news from what's happening in court, record studio albums and make diss tracks. But when I talk to Gail King, that's the last straw. F yeah. Yeah. But anyway, this is so Shenseea get involved because, she's always stated clearly, if you F with my enemy, I can't F with you. And that is why Megan the Stallion fans them is dragging Shenseea right now all over Twitter. Yes, because Shenseea is following or was following Tory Lanez because, she bowed down to the artist them. Because they're like, it's weird that you worked with Megan and you're following someone who allegedly, shot her, you know what I mean? And they're saying that if it was a mistake, you would have just unfollowed immediately rather than trying to pop off at the hotties. And this is what Shenseea was saying to them. Let me just unfollow out of respect for another woman, though I really can't remember when or how that follow happened, honey, LOL. Boy, she must think so. The stupid done Shen Yangs them she had talked to, but she said in the future bullying me does not work. I will literally stand against the world for fun. Thanks for bringing shit to my attention, though. Have a nice day, y'all. Tried it. Boy, people. That was the end. This is the beginning. She said, LOL, please, people. I'm not really not the one to F with. Yeah, so-called fans always want to set women up against each other. Then scream women don't support women. Boy, but let's take a further look at how the American people and fan base is dragging Shenseea. They said, what exactly are you trying to say? You are literally our friends with, or literally F with the man who shot your friend. We aren't setting up anyone against anyone. Boy, you did that to yourself. People, I just gotta laugh, This person said you are fake. You're making that argument while you're following a F. Oh boy, hold on, oh boy, okay, people. The person said you are fake. You're making that argument while you're following a effing criminal who shot your friend, the same friend who gave you entry to the Hot 100 for free. I don't know where you're going with this, but you'll lose, boy. And then even I bring Shenseea, baby father, and the people them said, but you support and follow another woman abuser. You and your fans would be pissed if Megan followed your child's father. I'm not sure how you don't see the wrong in this, but okay. This person said, girl, shut the F up. You're setting your damn self up by following her abuser recently. We didn't tell you to do that, but I guess that's your kink. Since you F with London on the track, your career is sinking and Megan carried leak. And that was your last and final hit. Goodbye. Bomba, hey, people. I better go defending the artist because I always over here, so with my opinions, the Americans them is telling you how them really feel, Why, people, them say all the evidence going around Twitter and you chose to follow him recently. Stupid bitch. And this person said, go to hell. It's literally no way to spin it. Let's cut and put women against each other act. You're a clown supporting okay, you can tell the worst, boy. Boy, I'm afraid for say poor Tory Lanez, But just like with Jada Kingdom and Asian Brat, or doll, whatever she changed her name to, a man get between them. You see me, I said people putting at the comment section, who do you think won the battle, Shenseea or Megan the Stallion's fan? Boy, Shenseea said, if you ever F with my enemies, I can't F with you. Boy, maybe that's why Megan the Stallion has been avoiding Shenseea all this time, because she has said, oh, girl, I follow Bunkla, boy, and all of these things. You see me, I said, I'm just give you an update while going from what not to go on. It's definitely not a good look, people. No hits, boy. Hey, the fans them deal with Shenseea are weird, But speaking about Jada Kingdom, I think her life might be in danger because these people that is defending Asian Brat went live and basically was calling up her name. It's not a good look. Them Yankee people, yeah, a little bit crazy. But Jada Kingdom took to Instagram to address Popcorn, warning her about Asian doll and whoever else that was warning her about Asian doll and shouldn't mess with her. She said that Una should have slapped her, Una should have boxed her in the face. You see me, I say? And she said, especially my OG, Popcorn. You see me?
And let me just say this. I didn't switch on this girl. Nobody can talk to this girl. Ask her friends. Because everybody around her is like a yes man. Not me though. But she cut me off because I didn't want to run up and down in New York with her. That's where it all started from. She blocked me, but was talking to Nas. Called Nas at 2 a.m. crying because Dougie got booked. I'm trying to talk to her. She's not talking to me, but she was talking to Nas. Then when Dougie came out, she was only talking to Dougie and Nas and them. And everybody else who was running around. She was been acting weird with me for some reason because I didn't support this fucker where she are going with. I did not come to America for this. I never come to America for the bad attention, the bad vibes. I never come to America for nobody come on me out or tap me out or stop me out or all them fuck with it. And on that I come here suffer. I stay in my lane. I stick to my little surroundings, that's it. That's another thing too. This girl did not respect nobody around her. Like, in her mind, she make everybody lit and she put everybody on and we exist because of her. It's like, I don't, bitch, I've been lit before you. So all that, fuck up. People are saying I exposed her. No, she started it. Started with my peoples, you started with me. Period. The same like how I had her back through everything. Period. Like, yeah. Because you're lying. The boy said, you're not DOA, you got tight, you start making stuff up and you just start chatting. Because your fans gonna run with anything you fucking say. That got me fucking tight. You tagged me in today. I said, bet. So what? I know that extra bullshit, like, they say you're not DOA, suck it the fuck up and go sit the fuck down. What? Shit's weird. My story says somebody look for you until they say you're not a Christian. You're not gonna fight and go and so prove your point, right? I don't know why it's a specialist DOA thing and you, I don't know, but and
So weird. Trying to feel. Yes,
Yo,
sir. Oh, okay. Okay, let's.
yo, hold on, cause pentagram too.
Yeah.
I don't want niggas thinking I'm ducking and hiding nothing.
You said what? Pentagrams. Oh yeah, let me pin mine too. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
there you
yeah.
go right there. Hold on. Matter of fact, type the both of them.
Yeah. Type both of them. Yeah. So I don't want nobody
Yo,
looking at. Oh.
Tata.
Yeah. Tag both of them.
Hold on.
We ain't even finna play like that. We ain't even about to play like this. Bitches get on that coke and get to being bold. That's what I don't like. That
Spell your
ain't
gram
fair.
right now.
Come on, y'all. Drop the shit. I mean, tell them. Yeah.
Man, y'all niggas type it. Fuck all of that. Let's talk about it. Let's get straight into
Yeah.
it.
Let's
I don't want
get straight
nobody
to it.
lying no more. Niggas be coming on here. Females be coming on here. I don't really care about the politics and all that rah-rah, that cat, running out by my mans. That's not how
Asian interviews. She watching with y'all.
She interviewed, she know the facts. Niggas was outside every single day. Don't do that. We was all
Yeah.
Gucci. Niggas started acting
Yeah.
weird when niggas got cuffed up. Mind you, she introduced the both of y'all. It's a little weird how niggas all of a sudden start beefing with her when she put y'all niggas on. I don't get that.
Dad, that's what
I
it
don't get that.
always be.
How niggas want to start beefing with her when she made y'all niggas start fucking with
The
each other?
topic is why these bum ass New York niggas trying to come for a dog? You mad because your manager don't fuck with you? How you mad?
Hold on. I'm from
how
the
you
towns.
mad?
I'm from Brooklyn. You
Yeah.
can't say bum ass New York. You
Okay,
gotta be
well,
specific.
not like.
You gotta be
But
specific on the
what's his
town.
name? I don't even know his name. What's his name? What's his
You
name?
know about Nas.
But my bad. How you mad you signed to a label and they fuck with my sister harder. She ain't signed no contract, no none of that. So you trying to comfort her. Bitch, that nigga come for your team. Come for the people that convinced you to sign them papers.
And more times,
and you sleeping on the couch still, but you signed. Boy, what? You can't, what? And then you still charging $1K for a feature? What? I'm not understanding.
Bro, it's not making no. I don't like how more time. Let me just.
Bitch, I look ratchet.
Let me say what's going on. Boom. Let's start from one. Niggas was jacking. We was never cool. Oh, she want niggas to run around. Nah, that's not what happened. Niggas got cuffed up. And started moving funny. Alright, so boom, niggas was moving iffy the whole day. After Dougie got booked the shit situation, all that, niggas wasn't really, I don't know what they was talking about over there. They wasn't really saying anything. But keeping a buck, let me just make it clear. We was outside every day. Niggas was cool. Niggas was friends. Niggas was outside. We was doing what agent said. Yo, nigga, they said, let's go to drill. We go to drill outside.
Man,
I don't get how
man, say, man.
Everybody, they want to play victim. I don't get the victim card, bro.
Literally.
Like, I don't get the victim card. More time, I don't like talking to myself. So if niggas want to come up here and we can have a real conversation, we can talk about it. And I want to know the lies because receipts is here.
And then I don't understand, like, who are you? Like, boy,
don't even say nothing, sis. Don't even say nothing. I want niggas to come up here and let's talk.
Yeah, let's talk. Where y'all at, Jada? Nas, where y'all at? Okay.
Fuck all of that. More time, look though. More time, look though.
They want to get buff when she sleep and shit. Like, y'all irritating.
Fuck that, bro. That shit not making no sense.
No,
and I'm not doing this. Niggas is lying. We was
Hold
all
on,
in the
wait.
crib chilling.
How do you add videos? Can't you like do green screens?
Wait, hold on. Let me see.
How you do green screens? How you do that? Let me see something.
You can't do that when you on group FaceTime.
Damn. Oh, okay. Cause bitches better stop playing. We got videos of your shit being empty. Bitch, you stay in an empty ass apartment in Miami. Like, stop playing. Fuck is you talking about? You got one mattress and bean bags. What is you talking about, girl? Yeah, they ducking. What the fuck? Is that my shit or his? This? Is this me or am I tripping or is these bean bags? Me or is these bean bags? Am I tripping? We couldn't even sit nowhere. It was nowhere to sit. We had to stand up. Literally didn't, bro, in the back too comfortable for me. Like, what is you talking about?
Boy, when begging friend go wrong. Why, Asian I talk up at things I say. As she help Jada and give her the vibes and all of them bagga you see me. I say, but me, as I said, people, me are just the messenger, you know. Boy. Anyway, people, don't forget to like, share. Extremely important where I try to reach broader audience. I need your help in doing so. Share it on our social media platform. Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, you see me. I say, why? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.